Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Render. I'm not sure if I did a video and an update on this yesterday, but I felt like it was important to cover it again today because, well, I mean, Render, it's been interesting to say the least. What's been going on? We've been obviously very bullish over the last month, but in the last couple of days and the last, well, what is it? Since the 26th of May, so last week actually. We've been quite bearish. So there's two ways to look at this, and we talked about that earlier as well. You could either say that this is just a little bit of a correction in an uptrend, which I would say is still correct because we actually have not had a major bearish breakout. We had some minor bearish breakouts like through 2.6, 2.65. That was a pretty key support level. And we broke down below that. But overall, now the big question is what will we do? Will we actually crash down from here? Historically, we have seen that Render has had moves like that. Also after bullish moves before. But it's difficult to say. I mean, Render is always difficult to predict. I do think I have a clear bias on that. But we'll talk about that in this video. So before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. So for now, Render is still, like I said, technically we are bullish. Volume is still decent compared to the market cap. It's gotten a bit lower, but overall it has also still gone up. And it's still, relative to the market cap, still very high. So the big question is right now we're kind of testing this level, the 3-2 fib of this move up. We already broke down below that earlier this week. Wednesday we broke down below that, but then we also recovered. Altogether, it seems like Render is not trending that much anymore. We're not really reacting to trending indicators that much, like the EMAs, like the Fibonacci levels, like I said, the 3-2 fib. So altogether, what it seems like to me at this point of time is that we're just consolidating in this area. And that also makes the analysis a little bit easier because overall I would not trade Render right now. For me, Render is way too unpredictable, but apart from that, it's also, like I said, I like to trade trending cryptos. There's more money to be made in trending crypto. So right now, I think this is the structure, all right? I think we're in this consolidation. 2.65 is not that major of a resistance level. So perhaps we should do something like this, but I don't think it's necessary. But overall, and I'm going to make it very, very easy for you. Personally, I would just stay out of Render, or if you want to buy it for the long term, I think it's a great project, then just buy DCA in. And I would wait for some sort of a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. And at this point of time, given the strength in the market, but also given the technical situation for Render, which I would say is a little bit more to the bearish side because we are making lower highs. And apart from that, we're really testing the edges of holding this support level. So we're just waiting for a breakout. Right now, we're going up to this level right here at 2.65. If we can break above that, we can just as easily go to $3 before you know that. All right, so it's either we break above 2.65 and we're bullish, or we find resistance there around that level. We drop back down towards 2.45 and we drop down below that, which to be honest, to be fair, it's 2.42. And if we break down below that, we'll find some support at 2.35, but then we'll start falling towards levels around 2.25 and 2.2, and who knows how much further. But then I'll just update you on that. So I'm waiting for one of those two confirmations. Until then, I'll try to keep you updated, but for now, this is my take on Render. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.